Hey, what's up everyone? It's that time of the month. Eek, no, maybe not. Hey, what's up everyone? It is that time of the month where I have to clean my makeup brushes, and I thought, you know what? Let me show y'all a really cool way where you can clean these bad babies on a dime, and it's gonna take you no time to get them clean. Let's get into it. Oh, and just a little tidbit, guys. Realize I did not press the record button. So you'll see some footage of me cleaning brushes, but it was from a different time that I did this video. So don't hate on me. I was just a lot going on. Help me, Jesus. Okay, so what you're gonna need is some 91% rubbing alcohol. There is 90%, but you'll definitely need that. This is Castile soap. You can get this off of Amazon. I'll put the link below for this as well as the rubbing alcohol. It's very hard to find 90% in the stores, so just a FYI heads up. Also, your makeup brushes, your dirty makeup brushes. And then I like to use like a clear cup. And then this is you wanna use warm or hot water. Take the rubbing alcohol, and I'm just gonna eyeball this, guys. So I put about that much in a cup. Not a lot at the bottom. And I can always add what I need and what I don't need. So I'm gonna add some Castile soap, and then go ahead and add your water. Okay. So with that, you can actually take a brush and kind of mix it up. This is the mixture here. And I have some towels so you can, clean off some of the excess with the towels. So what you want to do is take your first makeup brush and see how that color changes. That lets you know that you're getting all the makeup out of that brush. And the really cool thing using this mixture, like I have gotten my brushes all back to the original color. So it was brown, but it started out white. But as you could see, like now with the brown makeup, it was like turning it. Now it's kind of back to its original color. So you want to just smash it kind of at the bottom of the cup, and then I wipe on the towel, and look, it's getting back to its original color. And then that's just like the process that you want to do. Sometimes I'll take more than one and just smush it in there. Let me turn down this because it might be too bright for y'all. I'm gonna turn it down just a tad so it's not like overly bright. But look at that. Like you can see. So like before, after. Look at that. That is like, you can't tell me that you don't see a difference, because this is clearly a difference. And I use these two. These are like, this is my blush brush, but I don't use it as a blush brush. I use this one as a blush brush, and I use this one more as like if I'm putting on bronzer or something. Okay, I'm dropping brushes. I've cleaned most of the brushes, but since you can tell, like this one, there's a few that still have some makeup in them. So I'm gonna do a round 2 just to thoroughly make sure that like the makeup is out of there. This one like definitely came back to its original color, and so did this one. So there's a few that actually did. I'm dropping them because I have them all in my hand. Jesus. Okay. But I'm gonna do a round 2 and kind of dump this water and start just like making sure they're really clean. We are at the final step of the video, and this is where I realized, okay, I forgot to press the record button, but I went ahead and recorded it because this is a very crucial step. If you're anything like me and very anal and want to make sure every morsel of makeup is out of those brushes, go ahead and grab another clear cup. Just put the rubbing alcohol, nothing else, just the rubbing alcohol. She gets it really clean and understands the assignment. So take your cup, swirl those brushes around in the rubbing alcohol, and you best believe you will get every last morsel of makeup that is in those brushes. Trust me when I tell you. All right, everybody, that is it. I have finished cleaning these makeup brushes, and as you see, it is back to normal. Just like the day that I got them. It's still very soft. You didn't have to worry about anything melting because this process is super natural. All you need is 2 things, but I'll make sure I link those things down below and a link to these brushes because these brushes are amazing and I got them for a steal. But if this helped you, please make sure you like, subscribe, comment below, and share with all your friends and family. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.